Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be diving at the very heart of Frankfurt, Germany. Let's talk about Romerberg Plaza. So in this episode, we're going to be talking about the beauty and the charm of this iconic landmark here in Frankfurt, Germany. So now let's explore it. First up, we have Romer, Frankfurt City Hall. This building has been the seat of the city's government since the 15th century. The Romer consists of 3 connected buildings with a beautiful half-timbered facades. Look at the intricate designs and the stages that decorates the facade for the building. This is also where the many important events and centuries in the city take place. In the center of Romerberg, you'll find the Fountain of Justice, or Gerechtigkeitsbrunnen. This fountain symbolizes justice and is one of the most recognizable landmarks here. The statue on top is Lady Justice holding scales. The fountain is also a popular meeting point for tourists and locals alike. It's a great spot for photo ops. One of the most charming aspects of Romerberg is the half-timbered houses surrounding the square. These houses date back to medieval times and add a unique charm to the area. There are plenty of shops, cafes, and restaurants here where you can relax and enjoy some local food. It's also a great spot for a leisurely stroll and some shopping. That wraps up our tour of Romerberg, the historic heart of Frankfurt. I hope you enjoy exploring this beautiful and historic square with me. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure. Bye! Lang ganda oh.